boys and girls. I'm so excited to see you. We are starting our first lesson of Zearn. So we're in Module 1, Lesson 1. And our main goal, or what we want to learn today, is I can understand equal groups of as related to multiplication. So we are going to start with repeated addition, and we're going to link that to multiplication and how it's all related, because everything in math is really related. And you guys might tell by my excitement, I love math, and I'm so excited that we're doing some math. Okay. We're going to start with some skip counting, or you might have heard it called happy counting before. So we're just practicing our math fluency, and our goal is to get faster, because if we're faster at counting and skip counting, then everything is so much easier, including next year and in college, and when you're all grown up and you're trying to figure out some math, it makes everything so much faster. So we're going to work on our math fluency, okay? So we're going to count to 20 forwards and backwards. Now, if you were in class, you're going to see the same thing from me. Mrs. Entz or Mrs. Schiffman might have a different kind of way to count, but I like to use my thumb. And so when my thumb goes up, we're counting up. When I go like this, we're going to stop. And when I go like this, we're going to count down. Now, we've been out of school since March, even though we were doing online, and I bet we might be a little rusty. So I'm going to go a little bit slower, but you should be skip counting with me at home, okay? Because if you're just watching and not doing it, you're only going to learn a little bit. But if you actually watch it and do it, you're going to learn a whole lot more, okay? So we're going to count to 20 forwards and backwards, and we're going to count by ones, okay? So we're just practicing happy counting right now, or skip counting. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I said I'd go a little slow, huh? But I think we got these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job stopping. 9, 8, 7, 6. Did you stop? Good job. We're at 6. Let's go up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh yeah, you got it. Now we're going to count by twos. So do you remember learning how 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6? We're going to practice skip counting by twos, because this is like having groups of 2. Okay, so you ready? I'll go a little slower. Let me make sure you can see my thumb. Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. Ooh, did you stop? 14, 12, 10, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Ooh, were you a little rusty? That's okay. We're going to keep practicing. We're going to build our math fluency. I was so proud of you guys counting with me. Now we're going to whisper every number. Now this one's trickier. It's trickier for me. Let's see if it's trickier for you. So what this means is we're going to go 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. See, that's so much harder on your brain. Are you ready to try? You might have been doing it with me, but let's try. We're going to start at 2, okay? Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 12, 10, 8, 10, 12. Oh, that was a whisper. Whoops. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. Yay, spirit fingers. Good job, guys. Now, we're going to skip past the humming every number, because we're not going to do that one today. We are going to go right into the meat of today's lesson. And we are going to first practice some math from 2nd grade. So we're going to do an application problem. Now, if you were in class, we would still do this one all together, and you'd write on a whiteboard. So if you need to get a piece of a paper and a pencil or a pen, although I always recommend math and pencil. You need to get something to write on, that's okay. Okay? So you can always pause the video and go get something to write on if you need to. Read it with me. So I'm pointing at each word as I read. I wish you could see this. You know what? I'm going to use the cursor so you can see that. Okay? There are you reading with me? 83 girls and 76 boys in the third grade. How many total students are in the third grade? What is this question asking us to do? Well, I know I saw the word and. Do you know what and means in math? And means we're going to add something together. And if we're figuring out a total, that's another clue that we're going to add, because a total means we're figuring out all together. So what would 83 plus 76 be? I don't know. It's been a long time since I did some math like this. Let's write it down and figure it out. And I'm not super great at using the pen on here, but I am going, no, my 8 looks 3. Can you see my 8? My 8 looks great. My 3, not so much. But my 8 looks great. Be kind. Be kind. The tools are hard to use. So that should be 83 plus 76. I know it looks, you can laugh. It's okay. What's 6 plus 3? Well, if I'm not sure, I'm going to count up from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know 6 plus 3 is 9. Ooh, that's almost a new group of 10. But what's 8 plus 7? Well, I'm going to count up from 8 because that's the bigger number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Ooh, this is a lot of kids in the third grade. 159. Do you think we have more or less? We actually have less in our third grade. So we do not have 159 students, but a lot of schools do in third grade. Pretty cool. And I want to erase it because erasing's fun. Look at that. Have you ever played with the tools on the computer? They can be fun. All right, next. So we got to get rid of the eraser. Next, eraser, go bye. Bye-bye, eraser. Hi, tools. Oh, the eraser wants to keep going. I don't know what to tell you guys. The eraser just thinks I need to erase more. And then I hit the tools. So where did the eraser go? It doesn't even want to let me turn pages. It's saying, we're done, we're done, we're done. All right, I'm going to stop this video. So you're going to have 2 videos to watch today because I need to figure out what's going on with that. So I will be back and we will do some more with groups of and multiplication.